Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to compare the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 versus the Q9 smart bracelet. In the left we have the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 with 0.95-inch AMOLED display and 135 mAh battery, which it would last in about 20 days. It's water resistant up to 50 meters. It has activity tracker, health monitoring and other sensors that make this device really usable for day-to-day basic. In the right we have his competition for today, the Q9. As we know, the Q9 use Bluetooth 4.0. It has a 1.3-inch screen. It has 180 mAh battery and support different languages, for example Russian, English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, etc. The Xiaomi Mi Band 4, in the first page, it has the time, percentage of battery, date and steps. Next it has status, heart rate, workout. In workout it has outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise and pool swimming. Next it has weather, notifications and more. In more we have do not disturb, alarm, music, stopwatch, timer, find device, silent, band display and settings. So it has quite a few options, but they are enough for daily usable. Let's go to the Q9 and let's see. In the first page we have time, percentage of battery, date, last heart rate, steps and burned calories. Next we have steps, calories, kilometers, blood pressure, we have here the last one was heart rate. This is the blood pressure. We have sleep, sport, message, timer, find phone and power off. If we go here to the sport, we have run, walk, climbing and riding. We have for sport mode, not too many but enough. So let's go and test these options that we saw and let's see the difference. Now we have here the Mi Band 4, so let's go straight to the heart rate and see the result. We have here the final result, 71. So let's go now to the workout. We have the first one, outdoor running, the countdown with 3 seconds, and the band now is activated with GPS. We have time, distance, pace, heart rate and zone. As you can see, we have quite a few information in about the workout. Now let's go and test the Q9 and let's see the difference. Now we have here the Q9, so let's go. First one, we have the heart rate. As you can see, the first result came faster than the Mi Band 4, and we have 71. I think this test was a bit faster than the Mi Band 4. Next we have the blood pressure. And we have again the result real fast. Now let's go to the sport mode. First one is run, and we hear that vibrating. And as you can see, the time just started, the heart rate in the top and the steps in the middle. And that worked really good. So now let's go and see the apps that they use, and let's see the options that they gives us. As you can see, now we have here both of the apps, Mi Fit for the Mi Band 4 and Wear Health for the Q9. So let's go first with the Mi Fit app, and as we can see in the first page we have status, walking, running and cycling. All of these three options use the GPS, so you are able to see where are you running, for how long, and all these data. Here we have the workout burn calories and how many steps you are near to reach the goal. We have the data for sleep, heart rate, weight and goal tracker. We have three different pages in the bottom: friends and profile. In friends, here you can add a friend that uses the same app as you, and in profile you have your profile name, your picture, your device that is connected right now, and you have here in more set goals, friends, behavior tagging, add account, help, feedback, smart analyze and settings. So you have quite a few options for the Mi Fit app. Let's go to the Wear Health, and as you can see in the first page you have the steps. Here in the middle you have sport, sleep and heart rate. If you press to sport, you can see the statistic for sport in day, week or month, and this you can see with the date. You can change the date to see, for example, to compare today with yesterday. You have calories, mileage and completion. So same with sleep and heart rate. Here we have 4 pages. Next we have sport. As you can see, again you can use the GPS to see where are you running, for how long and all these kind of information. You just press start, the countdown will start, and now you're ready to go. Care is same as the friends page and the Mi Fit. You can add a friend if your friends use the same app as you, but now we don't have any friends to add here. Mine is the profile page where you can see all the information in about your profile. So you have your name, your picture, ID number, connect device, target, sleep target, device management, shake snapshot, find device and operation instructions. So both of these apps are really good. They both have plenty of options. And now we can see if the notification will come in our Mi Band 4. So we are able to see how they work in real life. As you can see, the notification from Instagram just came in the Mi Band 4 with all message or notification message, so you're able to see. We saw in the Mi Band 4 the notification come without any problem. So now we are able to unpair it, to pair with the Q9 and to see the Q9 notifications as well. So let's wait until it's unpaired. As we saw, now we can go to Wear Health, connect the Q9, now as you can see, it's connected with the Q9, and as I said, we are able to see notification, this time from Facebook. We have here the text new tech, and we can see and feel the vibration. That is a really good thing for this device. So guys, this was all for the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 versus the Q9 Smart Bracelet. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to comment down below. Support us by pressing the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.